Dear students, in the last class we have done section 2, the fun they had, and we have seen about the writer. So who is the writer? The fun they had. The fun they had was written by Isaac Asimov. Yes or no? So we have seen that he was born on 2nd January 1902 in Petrovic, Russia. It was a very famous book. So today we will continue with the same lesson in the previous class where we left. So let's see page number 41. Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse, until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. So here what happened, Margie, as in the previous class we have seen that Margie, she hated her school, okay, and now she hated it more. Before she was hating school not so much, but now she hated more than ever, because the mechanical teacher, who is the mechanical teacher? Okay, nowadays we are doing online classes, yes or no? So we are not sitting like before, like normal. Before in last year what happened, we were sitting in the class and the teacher were teaching, yes or no? But today what happened, because of this pandemic, we have to sit inside our room, in some corner of the room, or we have to sit in the study table and we have to do our online class. So I hope children, I think you all want to come to school, you all want to enjoy with friends, yes or no? So here, same like what is going on today with you, the same thing is happening with Margie. She also has a mechanical teacher, okay, that is geography teacher, and that teacher, her teacher is always giving test after test, and she is doing worse and worse, because maybe she cannot understand what the mechanical teacher is teaching. So that's the reason she is doing worse and worse in her test. So until one day her mother, what happened, shaken her means given a good scolding, her head sorrowfully, and she sent her to the county inspector, okay. So he was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple, then took the teacher apart. So here what happened, when her mother took Margie to the county inspector, here the character of the county means the sketch, what about the county inspector is given, what he looked like. So he was a round little man with a red face, and he have a whole box of tools with dials and wires, okay. So when he met Margie, he smiled at Margie and he gave her an apple, then took the teacher apart. So Margie had hoped he would not know how to put it together again, but he knew how, all right, and after an hour or so, there it was again, large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. That wasn't so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test paper. She always had to write them out in a pouch coat that made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the mark in no time. Here, pouch coat means an early form of computer language, okay. So you all know, because as you have got the computer subject, so here pouch coat, that is an early form of computer language. So here what happened, Margie was thinking that maybe this county inspector will not do the thing all right, but what happened, he hoped it and put it together again. He knew how, all right, and after an hour or so, there it was again. What again? It was large and black and ugly with a big screen, because the county inspector met it again. So which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked again. So that wasn't so bad. Margie thought that that wasn't so bad, okay, because the part Margie hated most was the slot. Means in the geography lesson, Margie hated most was the slot lesson, where she had to put homework and test paper. She had to submit her homework, her test paper, okay. So she always had to write them out in a punch card. Just like today we are giving you some assignments and all. So what you used to do, you used to write in a copy, not with the punch card, or not typing in the mobile, yes or no, or in the computer. So you have to write just simply the way in the school you used to write in your text copy. Then after that you have to click the picture of your assignment and use to send your respected subject teacher. So here what happened to Margie? She had to write them in a pouch card. That made her learn when she was 6 years old. So that was the thing when she learned when she was 6 years old. And the mechanical teacher calculate the mark in no time. Okay, like the teacher, we are taking time when you are giving test after test. What is to do? At least 1 week, 2 weeks we are taking the time and we are giving you the marks. But here with no time, the mechanical teacher is calculating the mark and giving back to Margie the mark, okay. So the inspector had a smile after he was finished and patted Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. Those things happen sometime. I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory." And he patted Margie's head again. So here what happened, the county inspector, after completing the work, he smiled, okay, and he patted the head of Margie. So he also told to Margie's mother that it is not the fault of Margie, okay. Maybe the geography sector was too quick. That's why she cannot pick up the things, she cannot learn the things. So here the county inspector also told that he had done slow and at an average 10-year level. So actually what happened, the overall pattern of our progress is quite satisfactory. And again what the county inspector did, he patted back again in Margie's head, okay, because that county inspector was encouraging Margie that he was good in her progress. So this was the thing. So we will continue in the next class. For today we will end here. Please go through the explanation and read the lesson. Thank you.